Menopause. The word alone seems to whisper, conjuring images of aging and a sense of finality. Yet this natural biological stage in a woman's life is so much more than its stereotypes. It's a time of transformation, a gateway to a new chapter filled with potential and self-discovery. Unfortunately, menopause is often shrouded in silence, leaving women feeling lost and alone as their bodies navigate this significant shift. This comprehensive guide aims to break that silence, providing you with the knowledge and tools to navigate menopause with grace and confidence. We'll explore the science behind this natural transition, delve into the various treatment options available, and empower you to make informed decisions about your health and well-being. Remember, menopause is not an ending, it's a new beginning. It's time to embrace this new chapter with open arms, armed with knowledge, and supported by a community of women who understand your journey. Let's rewrite the narrative on menopause together, transforming it from a time of uncertainty into a period of empowerment and renewal. Your body is wise, your spirit is strong, and your journey through menopause can be a testament to your resilience and the power of feminine wisdom. Menopause, often misunderstood as a disease, is a natural biological process marking the end of a woman's reproductive years. It's diagnosed retrospectively after 12 consecutive months without a menstrual period. This transition typically occurs between the ages of 45 and 55, with the average age being 51. During this time, the ovaries gradually produce less estrogen and progesterone, the hormones responsible for regulating the menstrual cycle. This hormonal shift can lead to a range of physical and emotional changes, commonly referred to as menopausal symptoms. These symptoms vary from woman to woman, with some experiencing mild discomfort while others face more challenging disruptions to their daily lives. Common symptoms include hot flashes, night sweats, vaginal dryness, sleep disturbances, mood swings, and difficulty concentrating. Understanding the physiological basis of menopause is crucial for demystifying this natural transition. It's not a sign of decline or illness, but a natural progression in a woman's life cycle. By recognizing menopause as a natural phase, we can begin to approach it with a sense of acceptance and empowerment, seeking support and treatment options that align with our individual needs and preferences. Knowledge is power, and understanding the intricacies of menopause allows us to take charge of our health and well-being during this transformative time. For women seeking to manage menopausal symptoms without resorting to medication, a wealth of natural remedies and lifestyle modifications can provide significant relief. These natural approaches focus on restoring balance within the body, supporting hormonal harmony, and alleviating discomfort through gentle, holistic methods. One of the most effective natural remedies for managing hot flashes and night sweats is phytoestrogen-rich foods. Phytoestrogens are plant compounds that mimic the effects of estrogen in the body, helping to alleviate hormonal fluctuations. Soy products, flax seeds, chickpeas, and lentils are excellent sources of phytoestrogens and can be easily incorporated into a balanced diet. In addition to dietary changes, regular exercise plays a crucial role in managing menopausal symptoms. Engaging in at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week can help regulate hormone levels, improve sleep quality, boost mood, and maintain a healthy weight. Activities such as brisk walking, swimming, dancing, and cycling are all excellent choices for women going through menopause. Furthermore, incorporating stress-reducing practices like yoga, meditation, and deep breathing techniques can significantly impact hormonal balance and overall well-being. While natural remedies and lifestyle changes can effectively manage menopausal symptoms for many women, others may require additional support. Bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, BHRT, offers a personalized approach to hormone balancing, utilizing hormones molecularly identical to those produced by the human body. Unlike synthetic hormones, which can have a different chemical structure, bioidentical hormones are derived from plant sources and designed to perfectly match the body's own hormones. BHRT involves a comprehensive assessment of hormone levels through saliva or blood testing. Based on the individual's unique hormonal profile, a customized treatment plan is developed, utilizing bioidentical estrogen, progesterone, or testosterone in the form of creams, gels, patches, or pellets. This personalized approach allows for precise hormone balancing, targeting specific symptoms, and optimizing overall well-being. BHRT is not a one-size-fits-all solution and requires careful consideration and monitoring by a qualified healthcare professional. It's essential to discuss your medical history, any existing health conditions, and potential risks and benefits before starting BHRT. When used appropriately and under the guidance of an experienced practitioner, BHRT can be a safe and effective option for women seeking relief from debilitating menopausal symptoms and improved quality of life. While menopause is a natural transition, certain symptoms warrant prompt medical attention. It's crucial to recognize these red flags and seek guidance from a healthcare professional to rule out any underlying medical conditions and receive appropriate care. Experiencing heavy or prolonged menstrual bleeding, especially after menopause has been established, should never be ignored. Similarly, any unusual vaginal bleeding or spotting between periods requires immediate medical evaluation. These symptoms could indicate hormonal imbalances, uterine fibroids, or other gynecological conditions that require timely intervention. Severe mood swings, particularly if they interfere with daily life or are accompanied by feelings of hopelessness or despair, should not be dismissed as simply part of menopause. While hormonal fluctuations can influence mood, extreme emotional distress could signal underlying depression or anxiety, requiring professional help. Additionally, unexplained weight gain, particularly around the abdomen, can indicate hormonal imbalances or other health concerns and warrants a medical consultation. Mary, a vibrant 52-year-old woman, began experiencing disruptive menopausal symptoms, leaving her feeling like a stranger in her own body. Debilitating hot flashes interrupted her sleep, leaving her feeling exhausted and drained. Her once sunny disposition became clouded with irritability and mood swings, straining her relationships with loved ones. Determined to reclaim her well-being, Mary consulted with a healthcare professional specializing in menopause management. Through a comprehensive assessment, including a review of her medical history and hormone level testing, Mary discovered that her estrogen levels had significantly declined. After discussing the risks and benefits of various treatment options, Mary decided to explore bioidentical hormone replacement therapy. Under the guidance of her healthcare provider, Mary began a personalized BHRT regimen, utilizing a low dose of bioidentical estrogen cream. Within weeks, she noticed a remarkable improvement in her symptoms. The hot flashes subsided, her sleep quality improved, and her mood stabilized, allowing her to regain her joyful, energetic self. Mary's experience highlights the transformative power of personalized hormone balancing in alleviating menopausal symptoms and restoring a sense of well-being. Section 7. Diet and exercise. Cornerstones of menopause management. Navigating menopause gracefully extends beyond addressing hormonal fluctuations. It encompasses a holistic approach to well-being, with diet and exercise serving as foundational pillars. A balanced, nutrient-rich diet provides the essential building blocks for hormonal balance, while regular physical activity supports overall health and mitigates menopausal symptoms. Prioritizing a diet abundant in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein sources provides the body with a rich array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, crucial for hormonal harmony and overall health. Incorporating foods rich in calcium and vitamin D, such as leafy green vegetables, fortified dairy products, and fatty fish, is paramount in maintaining bone density, a common concern during menopause due to declining estrogen levels. Regular exercise is not merely a means to manage weight, it's a potent elixir for both physical and mental well-being during menopause. Engaging in at least 30 minutes of moderate-intensity exercise most days of the week, such as brisk walking, swimming, or cycling, not only helps regulate hormone levels, but also improves cardiovascular health, strengthens bones, boosts mood, and promotes restful sleep. Section 8. Emotional well-being, stress reduction, and mindfulness. As we navigate the hormonal shifts of menopause, prioritizing emotional well-being becomes paramount. Stress, often amplified during this time, can exacerbate menopausal symptoms, creating a vicious cycle. Embracing stress reduction techniques and cultivating mindfulness can profoundly impact our emotional resilience and overall experience of menopause. Chronic stress disrupts hormonal balance, intensifying hot flashes, sleep disturbances, and mood swings. Incorporating stress-reducing practices into our daily routines can significantly alleviate these symptoms and enhance our overall well-being. Yoga, with its gentle movements and focus on breathwork, has been shown to reduce stress hormones and promote relaxation, making it an ideal practice during menopause. Meditation, even in short bursts throughout the day, offers a sanctuary for the mind, calming racing thoughts and fostering a sense of inner peace. Mindfulness practices, such as paying attention to the present moment without judgment, cultivate self-awareness and help us respond to challenges with greater equanimity. By prioritizing emotional well-being, we empower ourselves to navigate the menopausal transition with grace and resilience. Section 9. Building a support system. You are not alone. Embarking on the menopausal journey, it's crucial to remember that you are not alone. Building a strong support system, whether through connecting with loved ones, joining support groups, or seeking guidance from healthcare professionals, can provide invaluable comfort, encouragement, and a sense of community during this transformative time. Openly communicating with your partner, family, and friends about your experiences allows them to understand your needs and provide support. Sharing your feelings, challenges, and triumphs fosters deeper connections and creates a space of understanding and empathy. Joining a menopause support group, either online or in person, provides an opportunity to connect with other women going through similar experiences. Seeking guidance from a healthcare professional specializing in menopause management can provide personalized support tailored to your unique needs. These professionals can address your concerns, offer evidence-based information, and guide you toward appropriate treatment options, whether natural remedies, lifestyle modifications, or medical interventions. Remember, you don't have to navigate this journey alone. Reach out, connect, and build a support system that empowers you to embrace menopause with confidence and grace. Section 10. Conclusion. Embracing menopause with confidence. Menopause, a natural transition marking the culmination of a woman's reproductive years, is often shrouded in misconception and apprehension. However, by reframing our perspective and embracing this stage as a natural progression rather than a decline, we can navigate this transformative period with confidence and grace. This comprehensive guide has provided you with the knowledge and tools to understand the intricacies of menopause, explore a range of treatment options, and prioritize your overall well-being during this time. Remember, there is no one-size-fits-all approach to menopause management. The journey is deeply personal, and the most effective approach is one tailored to your individual needs and preferences. Whether you choose to embrace natural remedies, explore bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, or adopt a combination of approaches, the key is to listen to your body, honor your needs, and seek support when needed. Menopause is not an ending. It's a new beginning, an opportunity for reinvention, self-discovery, and embracing the next chapter of your life with wisdom, vitality, and a renewed sense of purpose.